Subject English, Unit 3, Chapter number 18, Weeds in the Garden, page number 44. Today we will be learning about bad habits in the chapter Weeds in the Garden. This is a story of a boy named Anshuman who indulged in some bad activities and he didn't even realize that. Anshuman's parents had noticed that he was developing some bad habits. They tried to stop him by various means, but it was of no use. Now let's see what happens. So now let's get started. Weeds in the garden. What is meaning of weeds? A weed is a plant considered undesired in a particular situation. A plant in the wrong place. Examples commonly are plants unwanted in human controlled setting such as farms, farm fields, gardens, lawns, parks. In the same way, volunteer crops plant are regarded as weeds in a subsequent crop. Weed control is important in agriculture. Most of the parents like to fulfill the wishes of their children. They feel sorry when they cannot indulge their kids or when they have to scold them. And when even scolding has no effect, the parents become very unhappy. Such was the case with Anshuman and his parents. Anshuman's parents had noticed that he was developing some bad habits. Naturally, they began to warn him time and again, but all in vain. Anshuman just wouldn't listen. He refused to believe that he was letting those bad habits to get a hold over him. Sometimes even this happens with us. We didn't even realize that we are doing something wrong, and when our parents notice that, they try to stop us, they try to make us aware. But sometimes even we never listen to our parents. But from this lesson, you will realize, at the end of the lesson, you will realize that our parents are right and we should listen to them. Now let's see what happened next. Gentle words, strict warning, a scolding now and then. His parents tried everything, sort of beating him up, and that they would never do. However unhappy they themselves were. They wanted to be loving and gentle as they tried to correct their son's ways. Soon an opportunity presented itself. Anshuman had gone to stay on his grandfather's farm with his parents. Early one morning, his father took him for a walk around the farm. He was describing the specialities of various plants and vines and bushes and the trees to Anshuman. Suddenly he stopped and pointed at a small seedling growing near a plant. Anshuman, that's a weed. Can you pull it out? Anshuman had no difficulty in pulling all of the small seedling out. Good, said his father, and they continued with their walk. After a while, they came upon the small weed, but there it had grown slightly bigger. Anshuman's father told him to pull out this plant too. He told him to uproot the weed carefully, making sure that no trace of the root was left in the soil. Otherwise, the weed can grow again, he warned. Anshuman uprooted the plant carefully, twisting it and pulling it hard so that the whole of it came out. Then his father drew his attention to the same weed growing at some distance. What happened next, we will see in our next video. Thank you. Stay safe, stay blessed.